New York Hispanic Chamber of Commerce has a mission of developing individuals in business and honing their skills. Today, they took a more personal approach by providing a free workshop on will and estate planning. The early morning meeting was held at a senior center on Finley Avenue. Assemblywoman Latoya Joyner said that she is passionate about this session because more than half of the seniors in her district do not have a living will in place.
Many of the seniors in my district do not have wills. They have not thought about long-term future plans that they need to make in order to protect their future, their family, and themselves. So today's workshop is about teaching our seniors how to plan for the future.
The Wills and Estate session is very important for the community because oftentimes we are not privy to some very important information, and we only find out about wills and estate when it's too late, right? So it's important as the New York City Hispanic Chamber of Commerce to really be a part of these initiatives so that we no longer live in ignorance.
Gregory Chagrin is also a member of the Chamber, moderator for the session, and in the business of estate planning for 15 years, says that getting over the fear of the process is the first step.
There's nothing better than having a clear understanding as to who is getting what in writing. Right? It helps when it comes to the family, being a united family after the departure, and it also helps with the economics of it as well.
Featured speakers attorneys Stephen Herzberg and Edward Charr spoke to how hiring a power of attorney could be beneficial.
This will make things very much easier for the people in the audience to really give a good benefit to their family, benefit to themselves, so they know exactly where their assets are going to go after death. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of people leave it up to the government, and we're trying to empower people to do it for themselves.
My firm, and I do this all day long, we make it as easy as pie for them, but I think people, it's also a difficult topic. You're addressing death, and I think people can get uncomfortable with that, understandably so. But I think, my intent today is to hopefully people walk away better understanding that it is not a complicated process. There are some very simple tools that we can put in place for them so that all of their assets go where they want to go upon death, and they can take control of the situation.
Mr. Charr provided 3 tools to get you on the right path for preparing your estate for the future. Number 1, creating a basic will. 2, hiring a power of attorney. And 3, getting a living will healthcare proxy. If you missed this morning's session but want this important information, you can log on to the Chamber's website at nychcc.com. For BronxNet, I'm Veronica Guiti.